In this video, I will be showing you how to generate videos using Kling AI. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Kling AI and we'll be having the official link. Click it. In their website, we'll be having the Create Now option. Select this and make sure that you are creating an account and signing in. And I am using the free plan of Kling, so I'm having some trial credits. So there are two ways how you can generate videos. First thing is, here we'll be having the Omni option, and as you can see, we are having the video generation. Here we can put our prompt and generate a video or image. Another way is click on this generate option, and to the top make sure that you are clicking on video generation. First step is choosing the model. So I will just click it, and here we are having these many models to choose from. 3.0 is the latest one, and we have 2.6, 2.5 turbo, and the previous other models also. Next thing is whether we will be having start frame or end frame, which means that whether we will be generating a video from an image. In this video, I'm just going to show it for how to convert a text into a video. So I will just go and paste my prompt over here. In case if you want to convert a image to video, you can simply click on this and add your image to convert to a video. That is done, and next is we are having this multi-shot option. If you don't have it, just disable it. If you have it, just click on it, and we'll be having shot 1 and shot 2. So basically this video is 5 seconds, and if you want to have multiple scenes in a single video also, it is possible. So you can even like describe the shot 1, shot 2, or even like add multiple shots like this. So this is also possible. So I will just disable this multiple shots. Yeah, I'll just disable it for this. And next is, in case if you want to have some inspiration, we are having this particular button. Click it, and this will have some camera movements and video effects. For example, we are having the camera zooms out. That effect will be automatically added over here, and if you click this drop down, we are having these many camera movements available. You can simply remove it. And next is the camera movement speed, shot type, light and shadow, frame. We are having so many inbuilt features available. You can play around with that. And next is we are having this DeepSeek icon. Select this. This basically will analyze our image or the prompt that we have already given, kind of optimizes it, and we can directly generate a video from it also. In case if you don't like prompting, or if your prompts are bad, you can simply give your prompt over here and click on this button, and this will give you a optimized and a much more detailed prompt where you can directly generate a video. And that's pretty much over here. And next is the video properties. So we will be having the option here. Click this drop down. First is the quality, if you want 720 or 1080p, and next is the video length. The more the video length you have, the more credits you are going to be charged. And next is the video ratio, whether it is a YouTube format or a TikTok format or a square one. And next is the number of outputs. If you don't want the audio to be generated, you can simply disable it. Disabling the audio will save some credits also. Once you are done, just click on generate, and it says generation in progress. This will take some time, so just be patient. Look at the quality of the video. Everything looks so super hyper realistic. I guess nowhere in the world anyone could say this is an AI video. Look at the shadow, look at the feet movement, the background, the light, the rays coming out from the street lamps. Everything is so perfect. That's an amazing quality. Yeah. So that's basically it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.